welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Ulta and TJ Maxx. We got a lot of good stuff, and yeah, if you want to know how I got this makeup look, please make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box and a tag up here, and I'm going to tell you what I got from TJ Maxx and also a couple other stores too. I also ordered the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, but it's not here yet. But I'm sure you already know what that looks like. I just haven't hopped on that train yet, but I'm hopping on. I'm ready to go diving into eyeshadow. So I ordered that. It is not here yet, but it will be. And I'm also going to show you a couple things I got from HomeGoods as well, just FYI. So let's start out. Before I go on to anything, I got this lot of brushes off of Poshmark. And if you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's where you can buy stuff new or used. And it's a really great website. Actually, it's an app. Sorry, not a website. But yeah, so I got this whole, I'm trying to grab them, whole set of brushes. Now, yes, I've already used some because I needed to use some for this look. I got all of these for 20 bucks from a lady off Poshmark. If you are looking for like makeup or anything like that, you can go on there and they sell cheap. Okay? So this is like a mix of Real Techniques, Sigma, Wet n Wild, BH Cosmetics, Morphe. I mean, they just got everything in here. So make sure, check out Poshmark if you guys want to, you know, get some nice things. Not just makeup, but they got everything. Like clothes and shoes and yeah. So if you were wondering. Let's move on to TJ Maxx. I got this Anastasia cream contour kit in the shade Fair. This was $19 originally. I think this is $40. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this because I've actually never cream contoured before. So super excited to try this out. I also got a lip palette from Anastasia, and this is what it looks like. And it was $25 at TJ Maxx. I think it's originally $40 or $50, and those are the colors in it. Super excited to try this out. My TJ Maxx has a lot of Anastasia Beverly Hills. I finally got this blush kit for $20. I absolutely refused. I don't know why, but I refused to pay $40 for it, but I got it for $20. And I've been waiting and waiting for it to go on sale or something, and I finally got it. And I can't wait to try it out for you guys. I got this Calvin Klein Sensual Skin Lotion, and it is Euphoria. And if y'all know, if you've been watching me for a while, I actually mentioned the Euphoria perfume in a gift guide for her video, like way back from Christmas. And I love the scent of this, like it just smells so good. So I was like, yes, I need the lotion too. It smells like the name, like Euphoria is like eternal happiness or some shit. This smells like that. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in the shade Seraphine. It's a really pretty shade. That's what the shade looks like, and I cannot wait. I needed a better red shade because all the ones I had were just not the ones I really wanted, and this has like that perfect blue undertone, so it won't be too bright, you know? Well, now, let me show you what I got from HomeGoods because it's super cute. First, I got, to keep organized, I got this to hang in this room over here to keep myself in check. I also have a planner that goes with me in my backpack, but I just figured this is like a great other way to stay organized, and it's a whiteboard. That's what I was really looking for. Then, I got Coffee Please. Isn't this adorable? Like, I drink coffee every morning, so I figured like I have to get it, and it's $7.99. I got, this is my favorite thing ever! XOXO Gossip Girl. That's like my favorite show, if y'all didn't know. I've probably said that like 5 million times. So I had to get this. I have to set it on my desk or my vanity or something. It has to go somewhere. I really want to get an XOXO tattoo too. Like, I don't know where, but I have 2 tattoos, if you were wondering. You weren't wondering, but now you know. Next, also a couple things that haven't came in yet. I got the Milani foundation. I'll put a little thing up here, like a picture. So I got the Milani foundation. I'm really excited to try that out. And I also got a Hush palette. Everybody's been raving about Hush and how they have dupes for Huda Beauty. So I finally got one. Can't wait until it comes in. It's the Aphrodite eyeshadow palette. I'll leave a picture up here as well. They're also sending me a liquid lip sample, I believe. So yeah, I got this Real Techniques Blend and Blur it says it's for shadow. Sorry if you can't really see it. It's like one of those oval brushes. God, oval brushes. I actually wanted to use it for nose contouring and it worked out decently. So I'm gonna keep it. I really actually like it. Then I got some Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension Mascara. I've been wanting to try this for forever and they're always sold out. So I finally got some of that. I got 2 eyeliners. I got they're both NYX. And one is blue, one is purple. And I can't wait because I'm trying to get some good eye looks, okay? Next, I got, oof, guys, I cannot wait to try these out. I got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. So 2 new concealers. And I'm going to do a video actually of whether this one works better than the Tarte Shape Tape because I've heard some great reviews about this. So we're going to do that. Then I got a couple other new products. Some Catrice stuff. These were new. It's this Catrice Ultra Matte Liquid Lip Powder. Never tried anything like that. So this is what the shade is. Then I also got the Catrice Strobing Blush, and I just thought the shades in that were super pretty, and it's new, so I figured I would try it out. Like, I haven't tried a lot out from Catrice, but what I have tried, I like, so. I also got this Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Lip. I think this was new at Ulta as well, and this is in the shade Almost Nude, so I can't wait to try this out. Then I got this NYX Glitter. Can't wait to try this. I love glitter. If you can't tell, I am glowing right now. Then I got a couple things from Walmart too. So I got a couple new foundations. One is actually like legit new. It's the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. And I can't wait to try this. It says it's for all skin types and it is in a glass bottle. It looks really nice. And it was $11.99 I believe. So this was new. So I'm gonna try that out. Also got some Rimmel Stay Matte Foundation in the shade Light Nude on sale for $2.49. So, yeah. Then I got some more Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. This is like my go-to primer. And I got some Coty Airspun Powder from Walmart as well. I've actually never tried that, but I'm like ready to try it out now. Like, I'm ready. That's all I got for you guys. So, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Don't forget to enter my giveaway because there's still some time left on that. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye!